Step into a mystical realm with an enchanting forest getaway that promises serenity and adventure. Nestled amidst towering trees and whispering winds, this destination offers a perfect blend of nature and folklore. Wander through wildlife trails where deer and foxes play hide and seek, and listen to the age-old local legends whispered by the breeze. As night falls, retreat to cozy cottages that echo rustic charm and comfort. Indulge in local delicacies like freshly caught fish and wild berry pies, prepared with secret recipes passed down through generations. Here, every moment is a story waiting to be told, inviting you to lose yourself in the magic of this timeless woodland retreat.